What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the Twitter lag issue on your Redmi 13. So to fix this issue, first of all try updating the Twitter app. So to update, open Play Store. Now here go to the search bar and search for Twitter app. Now here, after opening the Twitter app, open the app, and here if you have not updated the Twitter app, then here you can see it shows a update option. So tap on update, and after updating the lag issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the lag issue in the Twitter app, then check for your phone's software update. So to check that, open settings, tap on about phone, and then tap on software version. Now it will automatically check for available updates. So if you have any available update in your phone software, then update the phone software, and after updating the Twitter lag issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the Twitter lag issue on your Redmi 13. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.